In this video I'm going to show you how to do the WPS wireless setup of your Canon Pixma G4670 Megatink printer. First step is to go to the printer control panel, scroll down and click on the settings, LAN setting, select Wi-Fi, scroll down and click on the Wi-Fi setup. Scroll down and look for the WPS Push Button Method. Press OK. Go to your wireless router. If your router has a WPS button, you have to press and hold it for 3 seconds and then you have to release it. If your router has a display screen, scroll down and select Connect Wi-Fi device WPS and press OK. So it gives 2 minutes for the connection. Press OK to start the setup. Printer is connected to the wireless router. Press OK. Click on the home button. You will see the main screen of your printer. You can connect this printer with any device for wireless printing and scanning. Just add in a MacBook, laptop or your smartphone. Thanks for watching.